So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Helene, and you guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use this dip powder kit from Modelones. I really want to thank them once again for working with me. In this video I am going to put a coupon code for you guys, and also in the description box below, so you can go ahead and save some coins. I will also put the link of this dip powder kit in the description box below. And this is how the packaging looks, you guys. I don't know why it has another name on the packaging, but it is from Modelones. You will get 8 colors. You will get number 1 the base, the activator, the gel top coat, and the brush cleaner. You will also get a nail file. You will also get a brush to dust off the dipping powder every each coat that you will dip the nails, and you will also get some new caps or new brushes to change your brushes, because sometimes the powder can just gunk up in the brush. So first, I already have got the natural shine from my nails, and now I'm going in with some nail tips, and I'm applying the nail tips on my nails. Let it dry for like 5 seconds and go to the next nail. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. And then I'm going to cut them into the length that I would like them to be. And then after this, I'm going to use my nail clippers. I like the nail clippers with a flat side, so I can just cut at the side, so I can make the square shape as narrow as I would like it to be, because I don't like a wide square shape. I don't like wide nails, so I have these flat clippers, and they are just perfect to also making these shapes coffin. I don't know where I got these from. I have them a long time and I just can't find a new one. But that's what I'm going to do, and after that I'm going to use my hand file to perfect the shape and before applying the product. So this is how the nails look after the shaping, and now I'm using my super bond to prevent any lifting. And if you have any protein bond or anything else, you can use it, or any primer, you can use that. And these are the colors that I'm going to use in this video for this set. And I'm using the base, and I'm just applying it in the middle of the nail, just one strip, and dipping that into the dip powder. And I'm like dabbing my finger to get the excess powder off, and I'm using another layer. But what I didn't do is I just didn't go in with the brush to get the excess powder off. So I will recommend you guys to get the excess powder off first and then go in with the second layer. But this dipping method just didn't work for me, because when you apply the base, it will just, if you get, as you can see, I'm like trying to to dry it with my hand, but because it just looked wet. This is the first time that I'm doing this, you guys. So this is the first time, so I didn't know what I was doing. So I just was trying things out, and as you can see, it was all over the place. It was just all over the place. And when you like chunk it into the powder, you can just see that the base is just gunking up at in the cuticle area, and it's like getting a thick edge, and I just didn't like that. So further in the video you will see me doing another method. But if you have a cuticle pusher and the other side of the pointy side of the cuticle pusher, you can just use that to get the cuticles clean, because as you guys know, I'm just a cuticle freak and just love my cuticles clean. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just getting the excess powder off at the cuticle area, and I'm not speeding it up, so that's why you can see me like posing my hand. But I just didn't want to speed this process up, because I really want to show you how I did mistakes and how I did this for the first time. And you can just start in the middle of the nail and then working your way up to the cuticle area, so you can create that apex and that nice bump on the nail. But this was just it's again in the cuticle area, and it's all over the place. It's just like dragging the base, and it's you guys. It was just a mess. But later on, I'm just using the cuticle pusher side, and I will just pour the acrylic powder over the base instead of dipping my finger into the acrylic or the dipping powder. So that's what you will see in this video. And yeah, so the thing that I'm doing, I'm just applying the base all over, first at the tip, in the middle of the nail, and then working my way up and to create like that apex. And then when I'm done, when I think it's thick enough, I'm using the activator to activate the base. The base is actually kind of like a glue, so yeah, it will kind of dry the glue up. So that's what you will see in this video, what I'm doing, and just enjoy me making a mess. And yeah, you guys. So now I'm going in with the activator and applying that all over the nails to like dry the base. And as you can see, you guys, just look at this mess, just look at it. But I will fix that. This is how the apex looks. I think it's pretty decent for a dipping powder. I thought they will be really thin, but I think it's really sturdy. So now on this finger I'm using the glitter, and I'm still doing that method of dipping, but you will see that I'm switching to another method in a bit. Okay, you guys, if you're still here watching with me, I really want to thank you for still watching and supporting my channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And if you're still here watching, let me know by commenting a pink hearted emoji in the description. I mean, the comment section below. Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. I will put it in the screen so you guys can go and show me some love. And the word that I'm going to teach you guys today from my language Papiamento will be puiru, and puiru means powder. And you guys, I really wanted to say that I am going to read all your guys' comments. I am so busy lately. You guys, I just haven't have any day off. I'm just working and working and making videos and working and doing nails and working. It was my birthday weekend. So I will be liking and reading all your guys' posts. I promise. I really promise. I have taken 2 days off in about 3 weeks, so I can give you guys time and make you and read all your comments, because I will read every one of your guys' comments. So don't demotivate and don't go. Just still comment, you guys, because I want to read them and I will read all your comments. Okay. I'm just going to make some time for reading all the comments. Okay, you guys, thank you. So now I'm applying the activator again on all the nails to make sure they are properly dry, and after that I'm going in with my hand file to perfect the shape. I used my own hand file, but you can obviously you can use the hand file that you will get in the kit, but I use this one because it's longer and it's easier for me to do on camera and filing the nails. So I will be doing a part on filing on camera, but the rest I will do off camera because it's so difficult for me to film and to file the nails. And at the cuticle area, you guys, I just needed to use my nail drill, but obviously you can use only your hand file, and yeah, you can shape these nails with your hand file only without using any drill, but you will see me go in with my drill. And yeah, I will go off camera after that, and then I will show you the end result after filing the nails. So yeah, you guys, this is how the nails look after filing, and as you can see, I just fixed that. Look at that shape. Now I'm using the number 3. I'm using the gel top coat from the kit. You can use this without a lamp. It just dry on itself. So I'm applying it on all the nails. But you guys, I have to say, I just didn't like the shine of the nails. I really like my nails shiny, shiny, shiny. So after doing this, I just wasn't really satisfied with the end result of this gel top coat. So I went in with my normal gel top coat from the Kupa Inc nails, and I'm just going in with my Kupa Inc nails gel top coat after that and cure it under my lamp. But if you don't have a lamp, you can just use it with just this gel top coat, and I will recommend you to go on with the gel top coat like for two coats, and then maybe it will be more shiny, but I just did with one coat and I just wasn't satisfied, and I'm using my top coat from Cakes. So yeah, you guys. So yeah, you guys, this is how they look after the gel top from the kit. As you can see, on some spot it's like matte when it's drying, so that's why I went in with the Kupa Inc nails gel top coat and top it off, and then I've cured it on my lamp for 2 minutes, and then I will show you the end result. But you guys, you can just use the gel top from the kit, and this is the end result, you guys. This is the end result. Let me know in the comments below how you think I did on my dip powder kit for the first time. This was my first time using this dip kit. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every one of you guys. Don't forget to share this video with everybody. Share this video, you guys. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye bye.